4 burns is a hydrogel applied immediately after a burn injury. It rapidly cools the area by removing heat through convection, helping to reduce damage, relieve pain and slow blister formation. Burn injuries are classified into 3 degrees. First-degree burns affect the outer layer of the skin, often causing redness. Second-degree go deeper and often result in painful blisters. Third-degree damage all layers of the skin, the area may appear white or charred. Apply for burns as soon as possible after the injury. Prompt cooling significantly reduces the risk of further tissue damage caused by residual heat. Some chemical burns may react with water. Always ensure that all chemical residue is removed or neutralized before applying the gel. Fix the dressing loosely on the injured area. Each for burns pack contains extra gel. Pour it over the dressing to ensure thorough saturation. Burn dressings are most effective within the first 3 hours. Covering large body surface can cause hypothermia. If a full body blanket is used, limit contact to a maximum of 30 minutes. The gel is simple to rinse off with water and is environmentally friendly. 4 burns is available as bottled gel, gel sachets, pre-saturated foam dressings and blankets in various sizes. All designed for easy, fast and effective use in emergency care.